As y'all see by the title of the video, I'm finna give y'all 5 things I like and don't like about my 2022 Kia K5 EX. My 2022 Kia K5 EX. This is the 5 things I like and don't like about my car. First thing I gotta just say, y'all, she back dirty already, Lloyd. As y'all seen the last video, I washed my car, and guess what? Now she's back dirty already. But I gotta say the first thing, if it's windy, y'all, it's my fault, y'all, if it's kind of windy. But I gotta say the first thing I like about my Kia K5 is the looks. Like that look, like these headlights, like she very aggressive. So like, just imagine this at night. Nah, like, but when you see black ones though, like black ones look even more better, especially at night. Because like, if I turn my lights off, that's all you see coming to you. It's like an angry face coming to you. So I say the first thing I like about my car is, of course, the looks of it. And like, I don't think it's better cars out there, but I think for this price rise, in this price range, I don't think it's no better looking car in the price range of a Kia K5. Like, they just, like, Kia did they thing with this, like right here. Kia just did they thing, like, just look at it. Kia they did their thing with it. Like, I added these right here. I added these and I added a spoiler. So the EX don't come with a spoiler. That's the first thing I like about my car, is that the looks is just like, I like it. I like looks. And when I was in the market for a car, because I used to own, well, it was my mom's old car. I used to have a 2010 Toyota Corolla. I got in an accident, somebody hit me and totaled it, so I had to get into the car. I had to get into market to get a car. And I said, it's the only car I want. I ain't want nothing else. But like I said, the first thing I like about my car is the looks. Let's go on to the number 2 of what I like about my car. All right, the number 2 thing I like about my car is the features. The features for my car, as I said, I got an EX. So EX is short for extra. So I got heated steering wheel, I got heated seats and ventilated seats. Bro, when I say those come in clutch on cold days, like the cold days when it's very cold outside, like I warm my car up and I turn my heated steering wheel on and my heated seats on. But I haven't really used the ventilated seats. I hear a lot that it makes people like butt feel wet. That doesn't sound right, but you know what I meant though. So I haven't really used the ventilated seats. I don't get too hot, so I mean, like, I don't use it. But the heated seats and the heated steering wheel comes in clutch, and I like that the heated steering wheel comes with like a timer, so at a certain time it goes off. And with the heated seats, at a certain time they go, like if I put it on 3, for a certain time it'll go down like 2, and it'll just keep knocking down each notch. But that's the second thing I like about my car, is definitely the heated seats, the heated steering wheel, and the ventilated seats. Even though I don't really use the ventilated seats, but the fact that I still got it just in case, I like it. So that's what I like second about my car. Let's go on to the third thing. All right, so for number 3, what I like about my car is nothing on the car. It's more financial wise. The price range for this car, even for the newer ones, they not dirt cheap, but they not expensive. For the looks of the car, you would think this car cost me maybe 60 grand, maybe 50 grand. No, it don't cost nowhere near that. So that's why I say for number 3, it's definitely gotta be like the pricing for the car. Like, it don't cost that much. Well, you know, for certain people, it depends on your situation, what cost you that much means. But for the average person, it really don't cost that much. If you're in the market for a K5, ready for a 22, 21, 23, 24, or 25, or even a 26, I'm not even gonna lie to you, go for it, because the prices for these cars is not that bad. So if you can afford one, I advise you to go get one. So, but that's number 3 for what I like about my car. Let's go on to number 4. Y'all see that button right there? Y'all see this right here? Yes, that button. That is number 4 of what I like about my vehicle. If you don't know what that is for like the steering wheel, like literally, it turns my car. So the 4th thing I like about my car is that it's a self-driver. So if you're in the market for a Kia K5, bro, I'm not gonna lie, this car can drive itself. It's crazy to say, it's not really like a Tesla where it's got a whole mode for it, but it's a way to do it though. You put it in cruise control, turn that steering wheel button on, and it literally goes where you want it to go. So it'll stay in that straight line. If a turn is coming up, it'll turn. So best believe, when y'all see, I don't know if y'all see it, but on TikTok, a lot of people say they like their Kia K5 so they can, like, eat their food. I'm not gonna lie, I can't even underestimate them, because they not lying. Like, bro, if I go to a drive-thru and I gotta be somewhere like the next 10 minutes or whatever, I gotta be somewhere, but I gotta drive there, I can eat my food and get there on time. the steering wheel assist. I forgot what it's called. Steering wheel assist or something. I don't forgot what it's called. It helps me with that self-driving. So you might well say the car is a self-drive. And it's not a Tesla. It's gonna take you from here to there. You gotta put it in the maps on the thing. No, it's not like that. I don't know. It maybe if you know more hidden features about this car, let me know. I say that's a hidden feature about this car that a lot of people probably don't know. But if you do, hey man, stop gatekeeping and tell these people who got this car. So that's the fourth thing I like with my car. Let's go on to the fifth. I'm gonna see y'all on it. And for the fifth and final thing, let me shut these doors. As I said, I just gave y'all a little something. The fifth thing I like about this car is definitely the space. Bro, I am 6'5" and I fit in this car very well with 3 other people in this car. So four people deep in this car at the height of 6'5" with my seat where I need to be comfortably. I can be in this car still comfortable. In my last car, bro, it was 3-seater. You cannot sit behind me because I'm tall. But in this car right here, if you're tall, if you're 6 foot and higher, bro, you good in this car. I'm 6'5". I'm 6'5", around 6'4", and I fit in this car very comfortably by myself, even with other people in the car. I have not rolled in the car with 5 people yet, and I don't plan on doing that. Just 4 people, and we fit comfortably in this car, getting to point A to point B, wherever we got to go, wherever we had to go. Got there, and we made it there. So I say the fifth thing about this car is definitely the space in this car. It's enough space for you and your friends to go on a trip, or just go anywhere, or just sit in the car. So if you're in the market for this car and you need a car and you tall and you need a car for space, I suggest this. I don't know how the K4s are, but I'm a K5 fan. So if you want a K5, you're tall and you're not sure about it because you're not sure if you're gonna fit in there, hey man, you good. I fit in my car, not just by myself, but with other people. That's the fifth thing I like. But let's get into the things that some people probably have been waiting for. The things I don't like about my car. For number one, bro, I ain't like the wind is blowing like crazy. But for number one, for the things I don't like about my car, it's a 4-cylinder and it's the speed up. Yes, I got a turbo, she get going, she do what she gotta do, she does the job. I won some races in this car, yes. But I'm a big horsepower type of person, so if I get a lot of horsepower, that's me. So I gotta say the first thing I don't like about my car is indeed it's a 4-cylinder and the horsepower is not where I want it to be. But the only thing I did, let me tell you why I messed up at. So buying this car, I just wanted a Kia K5. I was praying for a Kia K5. I knew that these cars were fast. The car is fast, but I didn't know that there was a different one called a GT. So if you're in there for the horsepower, the high horsepower, get you a GT. The GT comes with 6-cylinder turbo. Bruh, I got the 4-cylinder turbo. I'm cool with it, but if I go get that GT, I go get that GT. But hey, I'm thankful and blessed for what I have. I got a 4-cylinder, but I say that's the first thing I don't like about my car. It's indeed the speed. Some 4-cylinders don't come with a turbo. My 2010 Corolla was a 4-cylinder with no turbo, but this got a turbo. When I tell you, I'm not gonna lie, that turbo helps the car out a lot. So the turbo is back there. The turbo right there, so if you think I'm lying, I'm not lying. But I gotta say, the turbo helps the car a lot. Just in case we gotta get somewhere and go somewhere quickly, or if we gotta race, hey, we get that boost activated and we there. But that's the first thing I don't like about my car. Let's get on to the second thing I don't like about my car. The second thing I don't like about my car, and I felt like Kia could have did way better when they dropped this car in 22, is my wheels. Like, the wheels are so, like, they ugly, bro. Like, but like I said in my first video, my last video about my car, when I introduced my car, is the reason I like them now, because that's all I have right now. I am indeed looking for different rims, so I'm looking for different wheels. So if y'all got some wheels in mind that y'all have on y'all car, or y'all looking at for y'all Kia K5, or something that could fit my Kia K5, drop in the comments, or shoot me a DM on my Instagram of the wheels, and I'll check them out. But man, it's indeed my wheels. Like, they are so, like, they ugly, bro. They make the car look like, they make the car look so weak, bro, and they so small. I don't like it. I want some bigger wheels, not big, huge wheels, but kind of like a little bigger. But I'm definitely, when I do get my wheels, we are going with some thicker tires, some bigger tires. Off the launch, with these wheels, she doesn't catch traction. It's crazy to say, for this turbo 4-cylinder, she don't catch traction off a launch. So I want something that literally catches off the launch. I am front wheel drive, don't know. I think the front wheel drive is better than the all wheel drive in the K5. I'm not sure about any other car, but I'm talking about the K5. I think our timing is better than the all-wheel drive, but they all fast. They all got speed to it. But I gotta say, the second thing I don't like about my car is definitely the wheels, and I'm definitely gonna upgrade that. So yeah, let's get into the third thing I don't like about my car. The third thing I don't like about my car, come on, Kia, y'all can. It's this. It's even though I'm gonna get it, you know, chrome deleted. It's this. Like, Kia, out of all things, y'all could have gave us the option to, like, you know, black that out. It gotta be that. I don't like that. Look, I'm more of a blacked out type of person. I'm not a chrome type of person. Like, so I'd rather go with the blackout. I'm not a chrome type of person. So like the fact that they put this on that car and didn't give you the option to either black it out and just left it chrome like that is something that I don't like, even though we could change it. And most things I don't like on my car is things that I could change. It's just that, hey, of course you don't like something about your car, because not everything's perfect. But it gotta be that. I wish we had the option to like black it out from factory, and maybe I'd have looked into a car that has that already. But indeed, I am blacking that out, blacking my tail lights out, the LED light in front, blacking that out for sure. This is getting blacked out. I don't like that. It makes the car look non-aggressive. Like, the EX is a non-aggressive looking car, but like I said, we're gonna turn this car into a more aggressive car, the best looking car, best looking K5 on this earth. But that's the third thing I don't like in my car, is that they come with that chrome thing. I'm not a chrome type of person. That's why another reason why I probably don't like the rims on the car. I'm not a chrome type of person. I'm more of a blackout person. But hey, that's the third thing I don't like about my car. Let's get into the fourth thing. All right. So listen, the car did not come with a spoiler, right? So I got this spoiler. I bought the spoiler on Christmas Day. The fact. So I said the fourth thing I don't like about my car, it gotta be the spoiler. Like, this spoiler is nice, but I thought the spoiler was more bigger. On picture, the spoiler looked way bigger on the car than it looks on my car. So I said the fourth thing I don't like about my car is something that I bought for my car, is indeed the spoiler. We will be upgrading the spoiler. We're getting a different one. I'm taking that one off. It's not it. Like, it's not it. It looks like the stock one that comes on the GT line. I didn't want that look, but I do got another one in mind that I'm thinking about getting. But if you got some spoilers in mind that you know about the Kia K5 that looks good on the cars and look good on your car, shoot that in my DM and let me check it out, because I need a better spoiler, a bigger spoiler, and I'm indeed getting a roof spoiler too. That's the fourth thing I don't like about my car. And let's get to the fifth thing I don't like about my car. And the fifth and final thing I don't like on my car, which a lot of y'all who can relate to this is gonna agree to that. The fact that my car is white. I like it when it's clean, but I don't like it sometimes because how fast it gets dirty. I just cleaned my car when I did that video. I did that video Saturday when I showed y'all, when I introduced my video to y'all, my car to y'all. That Saturday I just cleaned my car. Today is only Wednesday, and my car like I haven't washed it in 2 weeks. So like, that's nothing I don't like on my car. Bro, it's windy out here, bro. That's nothing I don't like on my car, is that the fact that it's white. It doesn't stay clean long. It don't stay clean long. But, listen. I do have plans to wrap my car a satin black, because I am a black type of person. I maybe go satin black and like I said, carbon all around, carbon front lip, carbon side skirt, carbon rear diffuser, carbon spoiler. And I said that's the fifth thing I don't like on my car. Hey, bruh, I want y'all to comment 5 things about y'all car, 5 things you like and don't like about your car. You can do either or, but comment down below. It don't have to be a Kia K5, but the car that you own. Drop in the comments things you like or don't like about your car, or you can do both. And let me see something about y'all cars, man. And let me see what y'all tell me in the comments what type of car y'all got. But hey, we come with more bike content with the dirt jumping and more car content. We got, we just gonna keep recording, man. I just wanna say I'm thankful for y'all for showing support, which y'all been showing in the other videos. Hey man, I just wanna say thank y'all. Keep going in your life and chase your dream and do what you gotta do. Hey, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.